Hi there everyone, my name is Preetam and I welcome you all to the channel. Today I'm super excited because today I have something very special for you. Today we will see how we can get Office 365 for free utilizing a Chrome extension. We will also highlight the benefit of using free version of Office 365 and will compare it with the perpetual Office, which is Office 2021. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here we can see we are at our computer screen and I already have opened Google Chrome. Now simply you need to click on this extension, or you may even click on these three dots and then you can click on more tool and then again you can click on extension. Now here you will find the extension that you have installed. The next thing we need to do is we need to click here on this main menu on the left hand side and then click on bottom, which is open Chrome Web Store. So this will basically open Google Chrome Web Store. Now let me quickly search for the Chrome extension that will help us to get free access to Office 365 or Microsoft 365. So let me quickly type here Microsoft 365 and hit enter. And there we go. Here we can see this Microsoft 365, which is again powered by Microsoft Corporation. So you do not need to worry about the genuinity of this extension since it is offered by Microsoft itself. Now simply click here on Add to Chrome and then click on Add Extension. So here is our Google Chrome, and now what we need to do is we need to click here on this extension icon. Then what we can do, we can actually pin Microsoft 365 to Google Chrome such that we can directly see it here. Now simply click on it and then here we need to sign in. So just click on sign in. And now choose the account with whom you want to sign in. For example, I would like to sign in through my personal account. After signing in, you will have access to Office 365 basic features like Word, Excel, PowerPoint and OneNote. So let me quickly click here on this Microsoft 365 icon, which now turned colored. Previously it was grayed out when we haven't signed in. And there we go. Here we can see all basic app from Microsoft 365 is available. Now let's say you want to start Word. Simply you can click on Word. Now let's click a new document. Now this one is dark mode. As of now this is dark mode. So in order to go back to default mode or make it normal mode, we can go to view and then can close this dark mode. In this way guys, we can create, edit and save document directly on cloud. But one thing we need to remember guys, that this is free version, so it will have some limitation compared to paid subscription. For example, we cannot install it offline, but still I would say it is fantastic alternative to perpetual Office like Office 2021. But let's say you are only using Microsoft Edge browser and you do not want to use Google Chrome. In that case, you can click on Edge browser and click on this extension and then click on Manage Extension, and here you will find Google Chrome Web Store. And that's how guys you can also install Office 365 in Microsoft Edge Store. Then in that case also you can simply type here Microsoft 365 and there we go. So we can even install it in Microsoft Edge. Now let me quickly go back to Google Chrome. Now let's talk about the benefit of Office 365 over Office 2021. The first and foremost is cloud-based collaboration. With Office 365 or Microsoft 365, you can collaborate documents in real time with your team members. You just need to share the document with your colleagues or team member, or even you can copy the link. You just need to enter the team member email address and you can directly send him the document link. And as I said before, this enables you and your colleague collaborate on documents in real time. This feature is not available in Office 2021 as the Office 2021 is standalone software. The another advantage of this free Office 365 over 2021 is accessibility. Office 365 is accessible from any device with an internet connection, which make it more versatile than Office 2021, which is kind of restricted to device it's installed on. Now let's talk about another benefit of having Office 365, which is frequent update and improvement. Being Office 365 or Microsoft 365 variant, this version of Office will always receive latest features and update, ensuring you are always using the most up-to-date tools. However, with Office 2021, you will only going to receive security and patch updates. The last and I think one of very important feature that Office 365 comes with, which is Office 365 seamlessly integrate with Microsoft tools like Team, SharePoint, where Office 2021 have limited integration capabilities. And there you have it. Folks, now you know how to get Office 365 for free using Chrome extension and why it is better option than Office 2021. Give this video thumbs up if you found it helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more such tips and tricks. If you have any kind of questions or doubt, leave them in comment section down below and we will be happy to help. Until next time, happy collaborating.